Some people believe that analysts have a magic button to actually come up with information to help decision making make better decisions. And some people believe that you need a very complex solution like SSIS or SQL Server Integration Services in order to perform operations such as incremental load. This spreadsheet uses about 30 years of climatic data to enable me make better decisions on my land. It tells me how much water is left in my dams, estimates how much is in my tanks, based on assumption tells me how much my animals probably are drinking, and of course will be replaced in the future with my own IoT solutions and my own server-side solutions, which probably will program in R. But this is to show you that you can actually do the same things as very complex solution using simpler tools. Now I'm deleting data to show you that I can use the magic button to add only new records to date and update my graph without having to go myself online, look for the correct links, download the data and painstakingly input it, and then refresh every single analysis. And in this case is done only with VBA. So let's press the magic button. And there you go. The data has been updated and everything is fine. You will see that it has been filled with the latest records to date. And so what does the code looks like? Well, about 900 lines of codes, I would say 700 taking out all of the empty spaces. It codes various subs from a main, goes online, scrapes a few web pages for the correct download links, which by the way change every day, and so that's why I did that. And it downloads the file, unzip them, extract the data, look for new records, add it to the spreadsheets, and then does a bit of maintenance like deletes the downloaded data and the created folders and so on and so forth, so that everything is back to what it should be. And there you go, an incremental load pattern that allows small and medium enterprises make better decisions.